let's solve the equation 4b squared plus 5b minus 21 equal to 0. Now, our goal here is to make this side of the equation as an expression of two terms multiplying each other. Solution. We have 4b squared plus 5b minus 21 equal to 0. Now, to do that, that means we need to factorize this side of the equation. So, factorize first. And to factorize, that means we need to look for two terms such that their product is the product of the first term and the last term, and their sum would give us plus 5b. And those two terms is going to be minus 7b plus 12b, because when you have minus 7b and multiply with plus 12b, we'll be having minus times plus minus 7 times 12, we have 84. Then b times b, we have b squared, which is the same thing as 4b squared multiplied by minus 21. When you do 4 multiplied by minus 21, we have minus 84. Then we have b squared minus 84 b squared, which is the product of the first term and the last term. And when we take the sum of these two terms, minus 7b plus 12b, we'll be having minus 7b plus times plus 12b. Minus 7b plus 12b will be having plus 5b, which is this term, the second term that we have here. So we can replace this second term with these two terms, minus 7b and plus 12b. So we have minus 7b plus 12b minus 21. Then at this side, we still have our equal to 0. And here, we group in twos. We have 4b squared minus 7b. Pick this sign plus. Here we'll be having 12b. And here we'll still be having our minus 21. Because when you use this plus sign to multiply everything inside this bracket, we're still going to have back this plus times 12b, that's the same thing as plus 12b, plus times minus 21, that's plus times minus minus, then 21, equal to 0. Now here we factorize that, like we look at what is common that we can factorize out in each of these brackets. So here we can bring out b, and here we'll be left with 4b minus 7. Then here we can bring out 3 plus 3. And when we factorize 3, when you divide this place by 3, we'll be left with 4b. Then minus 27 divided by 3, we'll have 7 equals 0. So here, these two terms are the same thing. We pick one, which gives us 4b minus 7. Then these other two terms are at this side. We put them inside another bracket. So we have b plus 3 equals 0. So here is already in the term ab equals 0. So it is either this inside the bracket equal to 0 or this other side equal to 0. So either 4b minus 7 equal to 0 or b plus 3 equal to 0. So at this side we're having 4b equals, when this minus 7 comes to this side, it becomes plus 7, which is the same thing as just writing it as 7. Then to 5b, we divide both sides by 4. And at this side, b equals 7 over 4. While at this side, b equals minus 3. So, therefore, the values of b equals 7 over 4, or the value I'll have here, minus 3. And that's how to solve this kind of equation, which is a quadratic equation. Thank you.